We are preparing to go virtual, so make sure you get to the end of this video so you can see my social media and my website and follow me so you can learn more about what we're doing in our virtual classroom.
Hey guys, Miss B. Hanley here, and today we're here to talk about punctuation. The three types of punctuation that I want to talk about today are the period, the exclamation point, and the question mark. Are our basic types of punctuation, and they're easily used in your writing. But you want to make sure you're using the right kind of punctuation to get the right message across. Let's start with the period. Everyone's favorite punctuation. Why? Because it ends a sentence. Periods end something definitively. It's a statement or a description. It also does a great job of emphasizing your point. Period. Let's talk about the exclamation point. It's been around in a lot of languages, and especially in English writing. Exclamation points and an exclamation. Usually it can be a positive emotion that you're trying to express when you use an exclamation. Sometimes though, it can be a negative emotion like anger or frustration. Exclamation points can be used in many different ways. You can have a single exclamation point, which is more grammatically correct. Sometimes though, people will use 3 exclamation points at the end of their exclamation, usually to signify extreme excitement or extreme rage. Last is question marks. Question marks we put at the end of a question. In other languages, you might use a question mark at the beginning and the end of the sentence, but in English grammar, we use our question marks at the end of the sentence. So I hope this helped you understand more about punctuation, like periods, exclamation points, and question marks. If you liked this video and you want to see more from me, make sure you subscribe. If you have questions, leave them down in the comments and I will try to answer them. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in class. Bye!
Just a quick reminder, if you guys want to see what's going on in our virtual classroom, make sure to follow me on social media. I will put it in the description and at the end of this video.